We was kidding.
Get the car, you retard!
Fuck, are we trying to pack everybody in here? Sir, you know they was just playing, yeah? Getting in the trunk. No, because if you guys sit in the back, the back is gonna sink in. You guys gonna scrape the bottom when you guys go over the bumps or whatever.
Okay, go to the bump right now and then inside.
Go in the front.
Yeah, just go in the front.
Why don't you tell Marie to come? Because she's smart enough to sit on one of you guys.
Exactly what we're trying to tell her.
I know.
No, this is just laying on us.
Yeah, she's smart enough. Go shut up. Marie, he's not gonna get out unless you come.
Can someone just sit in the middle? Come on, sorry.
No, why is nobody's gonna close it?
No.
Why would we try to close it?
She doesn't want to wreck her car.
She doesn't want to wreck the car.
You don't want to get out. Marie, can you just come?
You don't want to see how it feels. No, you don't. He wants to see how it feels. I don't know why. So, isn't this first time in the back of a truck? Say hi, Star.
Marie, I'll give you gas money. I'll give you gas money, sorry.
He's in the back of the
I'll give you
truck.
gas money, sorry. Sorry, seriously. No, the reason why you can't stay here is because you're in. We can't all fit inside. We can't, my car's gonna drop. My wheels are messed up.
You just did.
Sorry. Please, can you come out? Okay, I'll get in the car.
Get in
the car.
Tank and we lasted.
Okay, that's your car, my car. Okay, get out. I'll come in then. Get out. I can fit in back if you. I could just wait for it because the next time is on right now. Sorry, your brother is Wait, who pays brother? Yeah, save me up from not hitting him, bro. Is that your key? Yeah. Oh. No, come. Okay, no, I don't want. Okay, I'm going to the car. We're all going to the car.
They're in the car.
Okay, so you're the main one that gotta go first. Okay. You need one car. Alright? Dude, why don't you go over the bump and we can meet you on the other side?
They're going around the bump.
Okay,
Oh my gosh.
then you guys get off.
Just get in the car. All you guys. Get in the car.